We can pretty safely assume that Samsung will release at least two foldable in 2023, with the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 5 very much on the cards. The new foldable phones from Samsung are likely to launch in the second half of the year. Samsung might launch the Galaxy Fold 5 earlier than expected. Last-gen Galaxy Fold and Flip 4 were launched last year in August. This time around, the company might launch the foldable series in July itself. This report comes courtesy of leaker Brevegnis on Twitter, someone who has proven to be pretty adept at sharing information about Samsung devices ahead of their release. And according to them, Samsung is already ahead of schedule. They make this claim because they believe that Samsung will begin production on these two foldables' new hinges at the start of June, rather than the end of June as in previous years. That could potentially have a knock-on effect on the rest of the production cycle, leading the leaker to say that it's possible that the Galaxy Foldable will be released in July this year. Samsung's hinges are already important because we are expecting them to allow the phone to fold flatter than ever before, reducing the gap around the hinge in the process. It's also hoped that the telltale foldable crease will be less pronounced as a result. The leakosphere tells us we should also look out for upgrades like leather materials, a more powerful version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip found in the Galaxy S23 series, and new camera sensors for both foldables, although without any resolution or magnification changes from the current models. It'll be interesting to see if these putative upgrades are enough to fight off the growing competition for positions among the best foldables in the world. After effectively monopolizing the market for several years, rivals like the Oppo Find N2 Flip are here to challenge Samsung, with more rumored foldables, like the Google Pixel Fold and OnePlus V Fold, also thought to be on the way. We'll have to wait a little while to see whether this leak comes to fruition, but who wouldn't say yes to Samsung's big 2023 foldable releases arriving a little earlier than usual? So are you excited for the launch of upcoming foldables from Samsung earlier than expected? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you've enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.